Just put salt in the steel wool and you're gonna thank me. I stopped spending money. And hey folks, this is really amazing. And all you're gonna do is get a container. And then go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Alright, just regular kitchen salt. Now we're gonna need dish soap. Here I'm using this yellow one, but feel free to use whatever you got there. Let's add 3 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix it up. And now just finish with white or alcohol vinegar. We'll need just 1 tablespoon here. And guys, this mixture is really amazing. When you start using this at home, I'm sure you'll never want to use anything else. Now just mix everything very well. And it's ready to use. But now folks, what they would just make. With this product, not all you can clean, but also give an incredible shine to all of our pans. And for that, you need to use this together with the steel wool. That's right. For example, folks, here I have this boil pan, right? We use it a lot to heat soup or water. As you can see, it's a little burnt. It's pretty ugly, isn't it? Now let me show you. Just go ahead and take the steel wool and moisten it a little in the mixture. And then use it to scrub your pans. And folks, this is actually very powerful. As I said, in addition to removing all the dirt, it's also going to give in a very nice shine. And why is that? Because of the salt. Salt is extremely abrasive. You see, it's already much better. Not to mention the shine it's going to give this. It's really amazing. Okay, I already finished scrubbing it. And it didn't even take 2 minutes to scrub it. Now let's wash it off to see the result. And look at this, folks. Look at this unbelievable shine this pan has now. See how beautiful? That's really awesome. I love this product. So for all of you housewives who like to always leave your aluminum or steel pan super clean and shining, try making this product at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the results.